Hey everyone, today let's go over a couple examples of FOIL expansion from the previous lesson. Remember, we apply this FOIL technique. As always, feel free to give it a shot before I do. We have x plus 2 times x plus 3. X times x is x squared. And then we have x times 3 plus 3x. And then 2 gets multiplied by this x, 2x. And then at the end we have 2 times 3 plus 6. Then we can simplify this further. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 2x from like terms. That's just 5x. And then we have a 6. It's done. Question 2. We have 2y times y. 2y squared. And then we have 2y times negative 5, which will be negative 10y. And then we have 1 times y, positive y. And then we have 1 times negative 5, so minus 5. And again, simplify it. So 2y squared, we have a minus 10y and a y, so that just becomes 9y minus 5. And we are done. Hopefully expansion is starting to make more sense. Next we'll deal with factorization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can keep up to date with future lessons. Until next time, see ya.